Yo, what's good, guys? So we have some persimmons, is what I've been told that's how you pronounce it in American accent, but I've always known this to be called persimmons. So we have these. I'm gonna chop these up. We're gonna make pulp. We are making persimmon bread, but I'm also gonna add some overripe bananas just to give that extra sweetness, no added sugar, and the apples just to give some texture, some acidity to it, provide a little bit moisture, and some cinnamon and some nutmeg. And here is a salad buster pan that we've had for ages, for like years and years. So I don't like using crock pots only because I don't like using lids that have like metal studs or screws. That's just my like phobia. With like at least a salad master, like there's no stud. Like I'm okay with that, but like you see how there's like no stud on there. It's just part of my phobia. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop everything up here, add a little bit of water, and let this kind of marinate and cook out. Alright, so I have all the persimmons and the bananas, took off all like the browning parts, but a lot of it was actually very salvageable. I think only like a third of those bananas, of the two bananas, were like not usable. And again, the apple for acidity. So I'm just gonna put some water, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and then let this cook for a little bit. You could of course just put this in the blender and call it a day, but I like to heat it up to really let all the flavors infuse with each other. Do I know what I'm talking about? No, but I know what stuff tastes like. So though I'm not a chef or a baker by like by profession, I am someone who eats those foods, and I like mixing stuff because food is pretty much just science, and making like different proportions work well with each other. But anyway, so water, some spices, and then we'll let this cook. Again, you can use a crock pot, but I have a phobia of that. Okay, so see you back when this is fully immersed and pulverized. So I just put the water and the spices, and it kind of looks rough at the moment. Of course, it's not even cooking yet, so it does have to heat up. I did add a little bit of cream cheese, a couple tablespoons worth. I don't know how that's gonna work, but hopefully that adds some creamy texture to it, creamy flavor rather. So let's see how this goes. Again, I'm just kind of cooking it at 300 at the moment for a couple minutes, and then I'm just gonna, once it starts heating up, after I put the lid, I'm gonna just adjust the temperature. Again, just kind of doing it out of like no recipe, just kind of winging it. So let's see how this goes.